understand the whole story.
Go beyond what you normally see on the news.
Backstory. Weeknights only on CNN.
Let's go, Rapid!
Nevada delivers for Romney while early signs of a recovering economy suggest Republicans may have to tune up their fall pitch to unseat the president. Today, 2012 politics from the state side, with two leading governors, Virginia Republican Bob McDonnell and Maryland Democrat Martin O'Malley. Then, if they had to, could core conservatives learn to love myth? We asked the president of the Family Research Council.